Sri Lanka has so much to offer, so is it really worth spending any time in Colombo? Stick with me for the next 20 minutes and I'm going to give you the real answer. Life in Colombo, Sri Lanka. I've made it to Sri Lanka and I'm going to get straight into it. Today, Maradana, District 10, Hindu temples, the Lotus Tower, and we're going to finish up at Pettah Markets. Let's get into the heartbeat of Colombo. Join me for a 3-month tour of Sri Lanka. This is Travelling Planet Earth. Staying here in the financial district opposite the World Towers or the World Trade Center. Quite busy of a morning, everybody's coming in. It's just about 20 past 8. Most people are suited up, long pants, long sleeve shirts. I'm sitting here sweating already. I've just crossed over into the main town near the Colombo Fort Station, and this is Sri Lanka. This is an emerging country, high on technology. Sri Lanka is moving, Sri Lanka is busy, and there's a lot happening here this morning. So I've just arrived at Fort Station. Now this station was built in, I believe, about 1917. It's supposed to be built like Manchester Station. I don't see the resemblance, but there probably is some in that arch there. So I'm not going to go into the train station today at Colombo Fort. I'm here for 3 months. Next week I'm heading off to Anuradhapura and we'll be catching the train from here, so we'll have a good look at the station there. So when you get to the railway area, you've got buses, you've got tuk-tuks, you've got all forms of transport here. Also on both sides, there's eateries if you need a quick snack before you get on those buses or trains. It's quite busy, it's all happening here. So I've just headed to the right of the train station. I'm seeing what looks like a bus parking station. It's a bit quieter here. There's still a lot of traffic going through. I think this is the 9 o'clock get to work time. How are you? So what do you sell here? You've got shorts? Yeah. I like walking these back streets. You get to see the real life. Yeah, it's not that, well, I think Colombo's it's day-to-day life anyway, but you're not getting tourists here. You're seeing how a city lives, how it grows. So behind the hustle and bustle of the train station and the bus station, you'll find the Pettah floating markets. Now I think the floating markets may have had their day. From everything I've read, there's not a great deal of action happening down here, but from what I see, there is some stalls in there, there is some shops, so we might go have a quick look. One thing I have noticed, Colombo is definitely a transport city. Trains, buses, tuk-tuks, people, everything's on the move. I like to find different paths, so I found, looks like a walkway underneath the train bridge that hopefully takes me across to that Hindu bridge. Only one way to find out. Actually looks like there's some people here cleaning the waterway as well. One of the things I have noticed with Sri Lanka, it's a very clean city. There's waste, but they are cleaning it up. Just got to watch this stair here as well. The path less travelled isn't always the safest. So while I'm walking through this back alley, this pathway, what's the Sri Lanka plan? Well, I've got 3 months here. I'm going to do a clockwise route. I think I'll pick about 12 destinations, do a week at a time, slow travel. From Colombo, have a really good look at Colombo. Most people just cut through, do a day, that's it, or don't even come here. I reckon there's so much of a heart to a city. I want to have a look at that, a good look. And then Anuradhapura next probably, Trincomalee, back to Sagria, and then down onto that southern loop. If you've got any suggestions for me, leave me a comment down below. I'm open to see anything there is in Sri Lanka. I think unfortunately on this trip I haven't got enough time. I only got 3 months, but I don't have enough time to get up to Jaffna and back. There's a lot to fit in, but maybe that's on another trip. So I've just got to the Colombo Lotus Tower. It's quite impressive. It's got restaurants, a casino, and the big thing is the viewing platform up the top. But it is $2.50 Australian for Sri Lankan nationals and $20 US for tourists. So at the moment I'm just going to keep walking around. We might do it later. Well, I can see where I want to be, which is on the other side of this fence. So I think I've just got to keep going down the road, get a bit closer. Well, I can see a temple up in front of me, but I'm on a bit of a rush now. I think it's about 9:45, and as far as I know, this Hindu temple closes at 10 in the morning. Hopefully I'll get there. I'm walking through some type of train yard. There's construction. I've got no idea where I am, but I think I'll find my way. Might try and cut through that train yard. Could be interesting once I have a look at the temple. Three minutes past 10 and I didn't make it, but I still think I can have a look around and have a look at some of the complex. One of the oldest Hindu temples in Colombo, if not Sri Lanka. I told you how many ravens or crows there are in Colombo. They seem to be everywhere. So I can't get it all in one shot. That's Sri Kaileswaram Temple, one of the oldest in Colombo, if not Sri Lanka. Quite impressive, colourful. So I've asked if I can go into the temple, and it's shoes off, and we can go in and have a look. Wow. It's quite grand inside. I do find as you go around, a lot of people don't like paying to go in to see things, but I don't know, my belief is that you travel through places, usually you get that one opportunity, and it's an opportunity a lot of people don't get. So $2.50, why not pay for the privilege? So this is all Hindu. dedicated mainly to the god Shiva. As per usual, don't believe everything you read on Google. It doesn't shut at 10 o'clock. I was fortunate enough to come in and I can have a good look around. Well, that was very much worth it. Sri Kaileswaram Temple. I thought after that I'd cut through the train line, but apparently that's a no-go. So we're going to make our way back up to Pettah Market. Not much of a walk. Head in the direction of that train. Let's do it. So I thought I was already lost, but this is 5th Cross Street. This is exactly where I want to be. This is heading down towards the market. Life in Colombo, Sri Lanka. 3 months in Sri Lanka. Why not start the journey in Pettah Markets and get right into the middle of it? So much fruit and vegetables here. This is Pettah Market. This is the produce market. It's all happening. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and it's very busy. This scene plays out all day, every day. So my plan is to see all of Sri Lanka, see the tourist spots. But I think the big bits, the bits you need to see, well, that's what happens locally. That's the markets, that's the back streets. That's my plan. Yep. Right. I don't think I've mentioned how hot it is arriving in Sri Lanka from Bali. It's 30 degrees here, but it's a different heat. It's pure hot, sweating. I found another market at the end of the produce market, and this is the Old Town Market. Quite interesting, a lot of houseware, undercover, quite an old building. So you're bagging fish. So you cut and then bag. Does that get sent off to dried fish? And that just gets sold in bags? Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Getting a bit hungry. I was going to go to the Mayura Hotel, but it doesn't open till 11:30. So I thought might fill in 30 minutes and walk to the Colombo Grand Mosque, see what that's like. It's supposed to be quite impressive. We'll have a look at that, then we'll go grab some crab or omelette at the Mayura Hotel. So I got to the Grand Mosque, but it doesn't open till 11:30. So I'm going to choose heading back to the Mayura Hotel, have some lunch, keep walking around, see what's here. Yeah. Fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Very good, thank you.
Yeah, where from?
Australia.
Israel?
Yeah.
Ah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sri Lanka, very Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Proud of it.
As usual, lost in Colombo, but I'm looking for the Mayura Hotel, and I think I've just found it up in front of me. So we'll see if it's open, go have a look. It looks like it's just opened. Shutters are sort of half open. Try to keep a bit of the heat out. So I found the Mayura Hotel. I'm just going to go in, probably have a chicken curry or one of their specialty omelettes. Let's head in and see what it's like. So I'm in the Mayura Hotel, and I've got the 3 curry. I've got chicken curry, some dal, some potato, vegetable, and the omelette. Gravy? Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. So this is the Mayura Hotel. I was here 5 years ago. You can also get crab here. I've gone for the chicken curry. Very nice meal. Use your hands, or they have provided some cutlery. So it's nice and warm, and it's just a matter of mixing up, making it all boil. And eating. So one thing I have learned as I do this walk, it's hot, it's 30 degrees. I am an absolute sweating mess, but this curry is a very good curry. The dal is spectacular. I definitely recommend coming to the Mayura Hotel. Now it's been twice we've been here, twice we've had a good meal. So that's some lunch had. I'd like to now go to the Red and White Temple. I forget what its name is, but I think I might actually go home and get changed and come back and do that one tomorrow morning.